आसा मडगांव टावन पुलिसान आणि आजचे दिसा पळय आमकां हांगसर येवपाक पडलें कित्याक देर आर दीस यूथ हीज नेम इज गॉडफ्रे डिसोजा आसा म्हजे बरोबर आणि तसोच लॉयड बरेटो आसा आणि अलॉंग विथ देम अनादर 17 बॉयज सो ऑल टुगेदर 19 ऑफ देम वेल वायट दिसता म्हणल्यार द होल ऑफ गोवा नोज वॉट इज हॅपनिंग जॉब स्कॅम करून कितले तरी जॉब स्कॅम जाल्ले पळय ते भायर आयल्यो कितें भायर आयल्यो थोडे गव्हर्मेंट जॉब स्कॅम थोडे प्रायव्हेट जॉब स्कॅम्स थोडे भायर धाडटा म्हूण जॉब स्कॅम्स आमी जायते केले आतां फाटले म्हाका एकूच सांगपाक जाय इतल्या जाणांनी जॉब स्कॅम म्हणून धरिल्ले तांकां बेल दिवन भायर काडले पूण कितले जाणांनी तांणी पयशे हार्ड एंड मनी दिले ते सरकारान तांचे कडल्यान रिकवर केले आनी त्या लोकांनी जे जॉब स्कॅमाक तांणी पयशे दिल्ले तांकां कितले मेळ्ळे ते आमकां अजून रिपोर्ट मेळूना आतां लास्ट वीक ओनली आय टेकन अ इशू विथ यंगस्टर्स ऑफ गोवा यूथ ऑफ गोवा दॅट वन मीना कोप स्कीन स्पेशलिस्ट म्हणटा तिने म्हापसा ताच्या भावान पयशे घेतिल्ले म्हणून लोकां कडेन 8 लाख 5 लाख 3 लाख आनी पयशे जॉब्स दिता म्हणून 80,000 90,000 पागराचेर भायर व्हरून बारेन व्हरून म्हणून सेल्स एक्झिक्युटीव ड्रायव्हर म्हणून आनी जेन्ना तेणी इतले कंप्लेन केले तेन्ना सबार गोंयचे पुलीस स्टेशनाक खंय तांकां हांगा साकून थंय साकून हांगा धाडटालीं इट वॉज लायक मॅरी गो रावंड करतालीं एंड देन फायनली दे केम टू मी एंड आय टूक अप दॅट मॅटर एंड सी रॉंग इज रॉंग रायट इज रायट आय ऑलवेज से करना तेन्ना सरकार व पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट करना खातें करना तेन्ना क्रिटिसायज करपा जाय आनी बरें काम करता तेन्ना एप्रिशिएटूय करपा जाय पूण म्हाका इतलेंच वायट दिसता की हांवें उलो मारलो तेणी जाग्यार मैदानाचेर या युथांनी घेवन एक 15-20 भुरग्यांक घेवन इमिजिएटली हांवें त्या दीस म्हणलें की वेन हे मिना खोपाचेर तेणी पयशे घेवन लोकांक भायर धाडटा भुरग्यांक म्हूण सांगलां आनी कोणे कोणे गिरवी दवरिल्लें भांगार मावय बापायचे भांगार घाणे दवरिल्ले लोन काडिल्लो भुरग्यांनी आपलें कितें फ्युचर जातलें म्हणून तांचे कांय एक्शन घेवन नासलें आनी तेन्ना आवाज उठयलो आनी सांगलें की मिना खोपाचे clinic is just next to the police station and why police is not taking action the next day itself Mapsa police had gone and arrested that Mina Kopak haadle police stationat and now the procedure is on so I'm expecting that all the youth Goan youth who are duped by this Mina on pretext of giving money that they will recover the money so I appreciate the Mapsa police there today I am come knocking at the Margaon town police now as you all know last 2 days PI Tulsidas is on leave so I happened to meet PSI Nilesh आता हे दोगांय बाबडे आसा पळय लॉयड बरेटो आनी बाबा आमचो गॉडफ्रे डिसोजा तांचे बरोबर खंय अनादा 17 भुरगे तांकां खंय हो कोण तो ताचें नांव कितें आमचो एजंट ग्लेन फर्नांडीस म्हणटा तो पळय हो हाजें नांव पळय ग्लेन फर्नांडीस ताचो फोन नंबर दिवंक आसा हो खंय एजंट म्हणून खंय काम करता हो आसा जावन मडगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सींतलो ही स्टेज नियर ग्रेस ला ग्रेस आसा ते रावता तो खंय आनी ताचे खंय तरी ऑफिस नाविली आसा सालसेट फार्मासीच्या फाटल्यान आतां जाले 2 वर्सां खंय ताणें खंय एडवर्टीजमेंट घातले आउट केले आनी थ्रू प्रोसीस दे केम टू नो दॅट ही सेंडिंग पीपल अब्रॉड किंवा ग्लेन फर्नांडीस धाडटा म्हणून खंय बोवाळ जालो आनी हेंकांय खंय तरी यूथ ते कितें कोविडा उपरांत जाले काबार जाले जॉब गेले म्हूण कोविडा उपरांत ते जोडटले म्हूण पोलंड धाडटा म्हूण सांगलें खंय पोलंड धाडटा म्हूण सांगलें थंय सगळें काम करपाक पडटलें विजा मागीर इमिग्रेशन सगळें करपाक पयशे लागतले म्हणून तांचे कडल्यान ते एडवान्स हेजे कडल्यान 3.5 लाख घेतल्या खंय आनी तुजे कडेन 3.5 लाख हेजे कडल्यान 3 लाख आनी टोटल म्हळ्यार तुमी पळयात टोटल 4.5 लाख आनी 3 लाख तशेंच 17 भुरग्यांक न्ही आयज 17 भुरग्यांतले कितले तरी भुरगे फ्रस्ट्रेट जाल्ले आसा डेस्परेट जाल्ले आसा साम हॅव गिवन अप बट वायट दिसता म्हणल्यार हो म्हणटा आय कांट गिव अप दॅट मनी बिकॉज इट वॉज माय मदर्स हार्ड अर्न आवयचे खंय कांकणा खंय 4 कांकणा खंय गिरवी दवरी म्हणून आनी ताका पयशे दिल्ले आनी हेजे खंय हेणे खंय आपले सोयऱ्या कडल्यान खंय पयशे घेतिल्ले कोणा कडेन 50,000 कोणा कडेन 1 लाख सो नाव दे आर हॅरेसिंग देम मदर्स गोल्ड मदर नीड्स सोयरी हेजे कडेन मागता आतां कितें जाल्लें आसा इतली दूर लायिल्ली आसा तांकां आतां 2 वर्सां ताका तें सांगपाक लाग तुका धाडपाक जायना मागीर आमकां कळ्ळें की ताजे कडेन लायसन्स ना खंय इमिग्रेशन लायसन्स ना खंय ग्लेन फर्नांडीसा कडेन इमिग्रेशन लायसन्स आनी तूं कसलें रे जेजूकून न्ही मरे जेजूकून म्हाजी फियर आसपाक जाय मरे काळजान म्हाका भिरांत दवर मरे कोण रे हो कोण रे तुजोच भाव मरे हां बरेटो कोण रे आनी डिसोजा कोण रे तूं फर्नांडीस मरे मातशें पूण लज आसपाक जाय मरे कोणाचे पयशे खाता आनी तूं वयल्यान सांगता खंय आय वील डू आनी वन मोर थिंग आय वील गीव मनी म्हणटा खंय खबर पडना आतां पळय ग्लेन फर्नांडीसाचे पळय हे सगळे चॅट्स आसा आमचे कडेन सगळे चॅट्स आसा अकाउंट नंबर घालून ट्रान्झॅक्शन केल्ले आसा तें नाका रे हे पळय हे गेले घेता रे पळय गेले पळया तुमी इट इज ऑल सगळे आसा ट्रान्झॅक्शन सक्सेसफूल म्हणून दाखयला पळय 30,000 पळय तुमी स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया पळया गॉडफ्रे डिसोजान धाडले पळय 82,000 पोलंड पळय मागीर पळय सगळे विथ फोन नंबर्स हे पळय एक्सिस बँकांतल्यान तेणे बाबेन धाडल्या 10,500 जाता तशें तेणे पयशे धाडल्या पळय. सो नाव मेहता म्हणटा तो कोण तो मेन एजंट म्हण एकलो आसा खंय तो वयर बशिल्लो खंय तरी पोलंड ताका ट्रान्सफर करपाक ओला येता खंय पयशे. आनी आतां म्हणल्यार एका वीट आयदेसा ऑक्टोबरात ही केस रेजिस्टर केल्ली. ऑक्टोबरात रेजिस्टर केल्ली. ऑलमोस्ट दे हॅव टू कम 2 hours ट्रॅव्हलिंग and become very hectic and tiring. I fail to know why Margam town, why Tulsidas Bab has not looked into this matter. By now the problem should have been solved and he is in Goa only. तो आपल्या ऑफिसात सुसेगात बसता. तो आपल्या ते लाग रेसाकडे घराकडे सुसेगात असता. You cannot get a person. He's looted them, let him pay back, and they have got transaction history. I've seen many places where they say, ना transaction ना न्ही तुमकां कोणे हातीन दिवपा लायल्ले पयशे. हांगा चॅक्सी आसा, ट्रान्झॅक्शन सक्सेसफूल म्हण आसा, SBI बँक, एक्सिस बँक सगळे आसा. So what is there for the cops to just get him? Now I'm going with them to meet the PSI who is there on the duty, Nilesh Baba kade, and I will see that whatever said and done, they have to get justice and their money has to come back. And one thing, it's very easy for people to say, यांची चूक, यांच्यानी पयशे उपना ही हा करून ते फकाणां करता लोक. पूण लोकांक सांगता हेका लागून न्ही आमच्या गोंयांत न्ही गव्हर्मेंट जॉब मेळना. गव्हर्मेंट जॉबाक न्ही तांकां 80 लाख एक 50 lakhs 80 लाख 80 लाख दिवपा पडटा. जायना खोपना जायना म्हणून पेरंट्स शिकोवन इतले ताका लागून भुरग्यांनी खंय तरी एक कोंकणी उरता की आमकां भायर वचपाक मेळटा. चल आमी हे पयशे घालतात कित्याक आमकां व्हरपा खातीर इमिग्रेशनाक विजा फॉर द फॉर्मेलिटीज म्हणून ते बाबडे पोटाक लागून वचपाक सोदता. पूण जेन्ना तांकांय चीट केल्ले आसा पळय तांकां फूल अधिकार आसात की पुलिसांक कंप्लेन दिवंक पुलीस आसता कित्याक कंप्लेन इज डन रिकवरी करून तांकां तांचे दिवपाक जाय टू गिव जस्टीस. यू टॉक नेम यू टेल तागे नांव सांग. कंप्लेन दिवंक पुलीस आसता कित्याक कंप्लेन इज डन रिकवरी करून तांकां तांचे दिवपाक जाय टू गिव जस्टीस. यू टॉक नेम यू टेल तागे नांव सांग.
Glenn Fernandez, he had taken 3.5 lakhs. Actually, total he had taken 4.5 lakhs, but out of that we told it 1 lakhs for student visa it seems. So now 3.5 lakhs he has to give me, and that we stay telling now 1.2 lakhs he will be deducting it seems for some visa process. Work permit it seems. But we have checked that work permit actually it's coming that this one.
आता किती दीस जाले किती वर्स दिल्यार ह्या पयशे
2 years.
2 years म्हणल्यार 2023. 2023 आनी केसो तुमकां जॉब दित म्हण सांगलो ताणें.
वेअर हाऊस जॉब म्हण सांगलें पोलंडा भितर.
तूं रायट.
My name is Lloyd Barreto. Some sources I came to know that Glenn Fernandez, Divine Consultancy is sending abroad in Europe countries. So I am looking for a job. That's why I approached to him. I send as per he requested to send a CV, and after sending the CV shortlisted, and he said me 3 lakhs you have to pay, 3 lakhs plus ticket you have to bear. Totally 3.5 lakhs to go to Poland. And time period it will take 3 to 4 months. So February 23rd I started the process. I given the 30,000 rupees for processing for Poland work permit. Then after 6 months he did not did anything. I kept on sending the charts, and he replying us saying that it will hold wait another 1 month, I will let you know. So it's your work permit is under process. Then later after 7 to 8 months he started saying that work permit has been come, please pick up your hard copy, and then keep on making stories. Now the visa slots are not available, so we have to wait. It's already UPS is closed, and you have to approach to embassy directly. So he given us address also. We sent that copy to embassy, and they said it's incomplete, and our visa slots are available, but you have to speak with your agents where you applied. So later he given another idea for us. Whole group he called in his office, around 20 people. Some girls are there, some married person are also there. So he said another his main boss, the agent, Nirav Kumar, has another approach option. He said go to Hungary, and you have to pay another 1 lakh. Their visa slots are easily available. So all we are agreed at that time, and given another 1 lakh, and same thing he repeated after getting the work permit. Here also visa slots are not available.
Now he doesn't have social license.
Yeah, and later we realized why he's delaying, and we came to know that he don't have the immigration license also. He's running, and he said 2 or 3 groups already I sent to Poland, and still now he's putting he's on the status. The slots are vacancies are available in Hungary, Germany, in somewhere other countries, European countries. So later we force him to, we don't want to go, stop and return our money. He said for me 3 lakhs, 1,30,000 to be deducted. Then I question why it is. No, it's took for the work permit to prepare all those, to pay in lawyer, whatever he said, that Nirav Kumar told him from the Poland. So Nirav Kumar, several times we requested him to come to one video call, but he always coming on the voice call, Nirav Kumar. And he initially did not introduce us, Nirav Kumar. He only when after 8 months he started saying that Nirav Kumar, you have to call directly to Nirav Kumar. I am not the person to tell you whatever may. But always he is asking us and advising us to send a amount to Nirav Kumar and confirm me. And all the chat messages are
yeah. In the police station.
Yeah. So last October we already lodged a complaint. Since then we came around 10 times. Still now I did not get any justice. I took money from some relatives on the some basis, promising within 6 months I will return. But till now they are coming to my home. I am jobless, and now I am not getting job. I have the 2 children. How to survive? That's the question. That's why we are coming here. I told him 30,000 okay for me. Deduct and return my all money. He several times here is coming, taking his advocate and telling us you transferred to main agent. You did not transfer to my account. But he is the main culprit. He is saying us to send the money. All we have.
Is his office operational at the moment?
Yeah, at the moment operational.
He is sitting. In the office?
He is in the office. Today I don't know, but he is office is operational. And he is doing peacefully his business. We are trying. We don't have any chance to apply other places also. We need money.
I expect more youth and people like him who have taken loans, who are in debt, because they had to pay this guy, Glenn Fernandes, who is nicely enjoying at the cost of their hard-earned money. He is actually sucking their blood. So it's so hard feeling like, I feel that if there are youth or people who have already given money and he is due to cheat him and are helpless, to please come out and voice out. And let me tell one more thing. I expect the police also, the cops also, please try to understand the plight of this youth. If you all give them justice somewhere, such things will stop. Otherwise, just like an agent, in the name of giving jobs, on the pretext of giving jobs, they extend